forced entry documentation video for case 2016 TAC 31323235. I am at the rear stone wall of SANS's workshop, and there is a terminal. Find the passphrase from the Wumpus. Play fair or cheat, it is up to you. So let's take a look. We see Wumpus here, so we'll just go ahead and run it. What happens if we H? Oh, I guess instructions? Yes. You don't get instructions. Well, that's cool. I'm in a cave with 20 rooms, 3 tunnels leading from each room. There are 7 bats, 10 pits scattered throughout the cave, and your quiver holds 5 custom super anti-evil Wumpus arrows. So we are in, I'm going to write some stuff down just to how I used to play text adventure games back in the day. When you don't know the layout of a dungeon, it's good to take notes. So we're in room 13, and that splits off to 3 different ways, 6, 11, and 20. So we'll go ahead and move into 6. Okay, so there's bats nearby, there's a draft from pits, and the Wumpus is nearby. We're currently in room 6, and it sees room 8, 13, which we just came from, and 19. So the Wumpus is nearby. It's probably not in 13 because we just came from there. So let's shoot at 19. Nope. Well, what about shoot at 8? Nope. Okay. Well, then we will move to 8. I walked into a room that has no floor. So 8 is a bottomless pit. I'm going to write that down. Yes, I would like to play another game. Oh, we can keep her to a different cave. Well, we're going to keep the cave because that's what I have notes on. So we're in 19, which is adjacent to 6, we know. Cool. And then also 12 and 20. So interesting. So 19 and 20 are next to each other. Good to know. So we're going to go to 12 since we haven't explored there yet. So 12 is next to 6, which we've seen before. That's cool. Starting to build kind of a map. If you're following along, 12 is also next to 5. Okay. And 19, which we just came from. So we've been to 6. 6 only goes to 12, 19, and 8, so that's not useful. Let's go to 5. We can smell the Wumpus nearby. So 5 is next to 1, 12, which we came from, and 18. So let's shoot to 5. Can't find a way from 5 to 5 and flies randomly into 18. Well, that's interesting. What does that mean? 5. Oh, I'm in room 5. Right. Okay, so we're going to shoot to 1. Nothing. What about 18? All right, well, we killed him. Interesting. Okay, and it looks like we have the passphrase, Wumpus is misunderstood. I want to explore this a little bit further, though, because it did say we could cheat. And I have some ideas on how we would do that, but I want to test them. So we're in room 20, which we know 2 of the exits for. and we think bats are nearby. So 20 is 13, 7, and 14. Wait, that's different. Where did I mess up here? I was in 19 and I saw 20. These are different caves. Well, that's mean. Okay, well, so that flying from 5 to 5 thing gave me an idea. What happens? Russell, there's some bats nearby. So let's say so 20, I can see 13, and 13 can go to 6. So let's do 13, 6, 19. And so we didn't get anything back, which is what happens when we shoot correctly. So I think these arrows are magic and can fly from room to room to room. So what happens if we go 13, 11? Shoot. $13. I mean, all I know is like 6th and 8, or we can go 6th and 19. Much to the... Oh no, we walked right into his mouth. No, wait. I think the game's broken. Shoot. 20? Yeah, I don't know about that, but it definitely seems like we can shoot through multiple rooms. So if we figured out what the map looked like, we could just shoot through all 20 rooms and then kill the Wumpus. So anyways, we got the code. Wumpus is misunderstood. So we should be able to use that to get into the store. And we did. And there's reindeer in here. Excellent.